In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rearview mirror in your Toyota. Now, this is a Prius, but the same thing applies to Corollas, Camrys, most of their trucks, and a lot of the other mirrors that they have in a lot of their vehicles. They all work pretty much the same way. Some of the ones with cablings have a wire that you have to connect as well, but you can do this really cheaply and easily in like 5 minutes in your garage or in your driveway. Let's hop in the car. Now, before you start ripping your old mirror out, you're gonna have to get a replacement. Now, these mirrors are kind of vehicle specific. If you're looking for a Prius, Corolla, Camry, I will have a link for this one down below, but make sure you're getting the right one for your vehicle. Once it comes in, it's time to remove your old mirror, and this is super duper simple. And the hardest part about this was figuring out where I was gonna put the camera. So you're not gonna have this part here. This part is for my dash camera, but you're gonna take a screwdriver and kind of put it in here. Push it in a little bit, you'll find a little nub, that little bit right there. That's what you're pushing on. And then push that screwdriver that direction while you pull the mirror this direction. And the mirror pops right off. Now with the new mirror, reverse the process. It's gonna slide on, push down until you hear a click and your new mirror is in place. So that's all there is to it. I told you this was gonna be a quick and easy job. I'm gonna have a link for that mirror down in the description below. If you're looking for one for a Toyota that covers the Prius, the Corolla, and a bunch of other models, you can check that one out. Or you can follow that link and then search for one. You'll find the mirror that you need for your car. Now, in my case, I replaced this because on the back here, there's a little bushing, and that makes the thing get wobbly when the bushing wears out. So I did it to replace that. You might have your own reasons. But if this video helped you out, give it a great big thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments down below. I'm happy to answer questions or comments in the comment section. If you like these kind of easy videos that help you take care of your ride, hit that subscribe button. And of course, thanks for watching.